Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have been following the Sonic ecosystem like I have, then you probably noticed something pretty exciting this past week. The price of Sonic token has been moving up and not just a little. We're talking a solid pump over the last 7 days, but here is the best part. We're still far from the all-time high, which means it's not too late to position yourself. So in this video, let's talk about what's driving the price up and also why I still think this is early. And also I will be talking about a big event coming up that could bring even more attention to this project. So first, the numbers don't lie. Over the past week, Sonic has been gaining serious momentum. The price moved from around $0.38 to $0.51. And while that might not sound massive, in percentage terms, that's a solid around 22% gain. In a red or flat market, that's impressive. Now, I have been covering Sonic for a while on this channel, and if you caught those early videos and got in early, you already sitting on some nice gains. But here is the important part. This isn't the top. Not even close, I think. We still haven't reached Sonic previous all-time high, which was around $1. So even at the current price, there is a still upside just to retest the heights, and that doesn't even factor in what happens if Sonic starts getting serious traction in the next bull cycle. This is what I call an early stage growing window. The project has momentum, the community is growing, and the fundamentals are improving, but the mainstream hype hasn't fully arrived yet. And one major reason people are paying attention right now is because of the upcoming Sonic Summit happening May 6th to 8th in Vienna. Yes, real world event, not just a Discord call. The team is putting together an in-person summit in Europe's crypto capital, and that's a huge signal that they are serious about building long-term. These kinds of events help bringing in builders, investors, founders, and creators all into one space, and that drives ecosystem growth. The new partnerships could get announced, new projects could get revealed, and that usually means more attention of the token itself. So here's why I'm personally still bullish on Sonic even after this recent pump. First of all, strong ecosystem development. They're not just launching a token, they're building an actual blockchain with speed, low fees, and developer-friendly tools. Secondly, community momentum. The Sonic community has been growing, especially on Twitter and Telegram, so definitely follow them. And I've been watching it get more active week by week. And thirdly, real-world activation. Hosting a summit shows they're building offline too, and that brings in serious connection. If this current momentum continues into and after the summit, we could see Sonic push beyond that previous all-time high and start discovering new levels. Also, a lot of people are asking, did I miss the move? And honestly, I don't think so. Yes, it's already up this week, but if you zoom out, we're still at the market cap that's tiny compared to Solana, Avalanche, or even the mid-tier chains. If Sonic continues to deliver and the dev community keeps growing, there's a real chance this becomes a top-tier chain in the next cycle. So what I am doing, I've added to my Sonic bag and I am watching the price action closely leading into the Vienna Summit. This next month could be a key. Let me know also in the comments, are you holding Sonic? Did you catch the recent pump? And are you planning to keep stacking or wait for a dip? If you want me to do a deep dive recap after the Sonic Summit, break down any big announcements or partnerships, drop the fire emoji in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss the next big plays. As always, stay sharp, do your own research, and I'll see you in the next video.